Bucketing. Bucketing in Hive. You've seen that partitioning gives results by segregating Hive table data into multiple files only when there are a limited number of partitions. However, there may be instances where partitioning the tables results in a large number of partitions. So what can be done in situations where over-partitioning can become a problem? This is where the concept of bucketing comes in. Bucketing is an optimization technique similar to partitioning. You can use bucketing if you need to run queries on columns that have huge data, which makes it difficult to create partitions. In the example shown, you can see that we have country, along with a column that's being used to create partitions, in this case state. So we'll end up with 50 states in the US for the partitioned column. Within the state, there are many, many cities. So in order to optimize these queries, we can implement bucketing, which would take all the cities that have the same hash code and place it into the same bucket within the cluster of buckets. This will allow you to specify how many buckets you wish, 10 buckets or 100 buckets. The larger number of buckets, the shorter the fields that will be used to put cities in. If you have a large number of buckets, therefore, you'll have a very flat set of data within each bucket. If you only have 5 buckets, then you'll have many more records within that bucket that will be using the feature of a bucket.